What is the one word for denote or connote? The correct answer is signify. What is the one word for a large gathering of people? The correct answer is throng. What is the one word for cause to be nervous or upset? The correct answer is fluster. What is the one word for marked by practical hard-headed intelligence? The correct answer is astute. What is the one word for move or sway in a rising and falling or wave-like pattern? The correct answer is fluctuate. What is the one word for reflect deeply on a subject? The correct answer is muse. What is the one word for unpleasantly cold and damp? The correct answer is bleak. What is the one word for a circular band of flowers or other foliage? The correct answer is garland. What is the one word for find a solution or answer? The correct answer is resolve. What is the one word for deeply religious? The correct answer is devout. What is the one word for a nation's ruler usually by hereditary right? The correct answer is sovereign. What is the one word for compelling immediate action? The correct answer is urgent. What is the one word for a state of being carried away by overwhelming emotion? The correct answer is rapture. What is the one word for furthest or highest in degree or order, utmost or extreme? The correct answer is ultimate. What is the one word for someone who observes to ensure fairness or prevent mistakes? The correct answer is monitor. What is the one word for required by rule? The correct answer is compulsory. What is the one word for a fortified military post where troops are stationed? The correct answer is garrison. What is the one word for a prejudiced person who is intolerant of differing opinions? The correct answer is bigot. What is the one word for the first public performance of a play or movie? The correct answer is premiere. What is the one word for without mercy or pity? The correct answer is ruthless.